We talked about medications that operate by receptor action. Remember that medications either work by receptor action, stimulating or inhibiting receptors all over the body, or by enzyme action, or by destruction of substances that don't need to be in the body, like bacteria and cancer cells, things like that. So when it comes to drugs that work on the receptor, we have these receptors all through our bodies. The receptors of the sympathetic nervous system are classified as alpha and beta. And you'll see the little A and the little B. And then they are further subclassified into alpha 1 and alpha 2, and then beta 1 and beta 2. And primarily medications that work on the cardiac system are inhibitors of the sympathetic nervous system, which affects heart rate, dilation and constriction of blood vessels, and the dilation of bronchial passages, as well as the constriction of bronchial passages. Primarily beta 1 and beta 2, and you will hear a certain class of cardiac drugs known as beta blockers. That means they fit into the beta receptors of the sympathetic nervous system, and they prevent blood vessels from constricting. And so when blood vessels are dilated, the heart rate remains slower and the blood pressure is lower. The main receptors of the parasympathetic nervous system fall under the headings of muscarinic and nicotinic, and they respond primarily to acetylcholine, although there are some other neurotransmitters that come into effect in the parasympathetic nervous system too. But the sympathetic or adrenergic nervous system has the alpha and beta receptors, while the cholinergic or the parasympathetic has muscarinic and nicotinic. Okay, what have I done? Let me stop right here and fix this, and then I will come back.